No other reason.
But it's funny. Yes, boys.
Yes, umbrella.
Yes, yeah, she's smart, isn't it? Yes, H. Yes, we might do. Matt, question of the week. If you could be a superhero, what superhero would you be and why?
I don't really watch Marvel. Deadpool. It's funny.
Deadpool.
Fuck it! Let's give the people what they came for! Get your spectral sock out, nerds. It's gonna get good.
Question of the week. You ready, yeah?
Yeah.
If you could be a superhero, what superhero would you be and why?
No, something controversial. Marvel, DC. Don't want none of that. So someone give me a superhero. Marvel.
It could be any superhero you want. Yeah, you probably will watch.
I'll go. I don't know a minute, but Iron Man must have something about him. Is that what you said?
Nah.
Who did you say?
It's a Deadpool.
I don't
What one's that?
What? Bro, what are you talking about, man?
Deadpool?
Yeah.
I said, what one's that?
I've not watched that one.
Simon needs a lawyer present.
Yeah,
All the time.
I need a lawyer. I want a lawyer. Go for Invisible Woman.
Invisible Woman?
Yes.
Why?
Because she's invisible, she's a wife, and she's a mother. She does it all.
Hey Jake, are you ready?
What?
If you could be a superhero, what superhero would you be and why?
I don't know. Not a few, though. Probably like Superman, isn't it?
Why?
Superman's just a sick one, isn't
Good.
it? Fly there fast, fucking strong as fuck.
If you could be a superhero, what superhero would you be and why?
Batman.
Why Batman?
Because he's got all the tech and all the money in it.
Say, hey, you ready, yeah?
I'm ready.
You ready, yeah?
Zoning.
If you could be a superhero, what superhero would you be and why?
That's Spider-Man, bro.
Why Spider-Man?
Jesus wings, bro. What do you mean?
Is your superhero?
Huh?
You ain't saving no one's life, except
bro?
Mary Jane.
Yeah, don't worry about that. She can get through.
Yeah, don't run.
Before peace, there's war.
Before peace there's war, yeah. Alright, ready, yeah? Question of the week.
Go on.
If you could be a superhero, what superhero would you be and why?
Superhero.
Yeah.
Wow. Spider-Man.
Spider-Man. That's two for Spider-Man, you know. Why Spider-Man?
Just the best.
Man said- Alright, go on, give us a roundup, yeah? On like what's been happening at the club recently with the results, performances.
We got battered in Div 1. But we're coming for a comeback. So let's pray for a comeback. Mighty Ducks.
Mighty Ducks. Are they superheroes?
Might be.
Alright people, welcome back to another episode of CC at the Fives. You know what's going on, we're live. By now you know the motion, you know the potion. Sit back, put your feet up, and let's get it cracking. You had a shave?
Mate, November.
Pleasantries on the sideline. These are some old folks that played in Div 2. Hear the pain in his voice when the guy that wasn't playing?
Nah.
He showed me,
Sometimes you gotta let the ballers ball.
No, not Saturday.
Anyway, early
He
sparring.
told me that he showed the Saturday before, which he definitely didn't because I was on the train with Will Kirby and I
Really?
said, apparently, he said in the state he was in, there's no way. Mate, he told me he showed. Yeah, he told me as well. Yeah, nice, good, good dude. He's lying. No, I think he's lying. He's telling talkies. He's even showing the bird and everything. Unless it was a different night. Unless it was
This current day and age, surely not. Lying about their body count and what they're doing on the weekends.
No, he's not.
Anyway, why they're concerned about their friend? They're not concerned about their keeper.
I sent it to my brother.
But we should be concerned about ours.
Right, abandoned.
You can see the one very early. I let that one run from the start. So about a couple minutes in, and we're 1-0 down. 1-0 down at the 5s. You don't panic. Just relax. You're chipping though.
Are you getting involved, buddy?
Anyway, H, Jake.
Right, Jacob, you let me do what you want.
Ballers are back in full effect.
Talk a bit, fellas.
Remember, this is the team that we started off in that Div 4. We climbed the ranks into Div 2. Not gonna lie.
that head height, you were fucked, man.
That's why he's a baller on a Saturday. He does things like that. But anyway,
Yeah, that's a goal.
from attack to defence to attack.
There he is!
We're back. 1-1.
No, it's joking.
Hey, he gets a shot off, but he drags it wide.
Oh, so
They
lucky
get
tip.
seconds,
There he is!
but Jacob's there.
Run, ref.
1-1, H driving at you. It's not really what you want to see. H into the corner.
He's yours.
Always backing when he goes in there. Finds a little pass in there to Evander. We got a boy, Rick, aka Rick Flair. Anyway, balled. Great vision.
Yes, Joe. Have him.
Matt with the shoulder to shoulder, enjoying himself out there. Yeah. Finds the bottom corner too. Just like that, in a blink of an eye, we're up. It's 2-1. But they're driving forward, they're looking dangerous. That was kick the post. But again, we've gone from defending to attacking. Giving a great save in the fact that I think he kicked his big toe. Skied.
Keep it tight. Who's that? Is that a new player?
New balance. It's not quite safe.
Thunder gets his big toe to it. H with a little clip back to the boy Els.
Save, Greaves.
Even with a good one there. H in the corner. 9 out of 10 times it comes out on top.
One more.
Not this time though. Then on the day this kid that kid was their best player, but he loses it. 3-on-1. We should punish them.
Well, Leo.
Oh, Leo! Oh, it's a great touch.
Yeah, you can outrun him, mate.
Watch the hands, ref. Every time.
Bit of wrestling going on. Sure, WrestleMania until next year. Anyway, keeper throws it out. Mistake.
Hello, ref.
Jake bounces. Back from paternity.
Touch it, turn it. But that's hurt you even more.
Boy Scarface back from paternity. Slapping them in again.
He says you're doing it for the cameras. You're not here for the cameras, boss.
Me?
Nah.
I do it every week, that's why everyone hates it.
Exactly. We don't mind it.
Leo one.
I hate that's well done. Hey boys, you're doing great there. If you can't find the pass, you're doing great.
You don't need to find the pass.
Because he loves the pass. He loves the pass. You're doing fine. Stand him, just there. Cool.
We do.
Bit of back and forth from the punters on the sideline.
Just helping our goal difference.
If anything, we're playing the long game.
Fact is, he's a good player. When he gets the ball, he can find the pass. And the boy over the shot, it's blocked.
Leo realised Leo kind of runs at the person and
They
then
retain possession.
and then the ball's like a second after they run away. You ever seen that?
They were in the corner trying to find a way, but you know, Matt, better argy-bargy gets the ball back. Starts again. So this is the theme. They seem to have the ball, we just kind of stand off them. But if you give them a chance, they might find a way back. Like I said, give them a chance. Find a way back.
Oh! What a finish!
2-on-1. Was it outside of the boot?
Oh, go.
Outside the boot! He was falling over.
And just like that, 3-2 there, back in the game. We're in problems. But now we're coming forward. Matt with another stinger. Shake off the crossbar. Anyway, this guy sends Matt to the shops. Finds a good pass. So unlucky they can't do much from it. And now we're coming forward. Jake driving at 1-2. Finds the one corner.
Hey, wide man. Nah, you are. Especially with that.
They're there in November. So they look like members of the Cali cartel. They look like this came from Mexico. Anyway, let's get back to it. Because in England it's raining, surface is slippery. I've seen David De Gea do it.
Oh no!
5-2. Keeper's made a mistake. Evander seems to be on fire. Little back heel. Ric Flair can't finish. Again, Evander driving. It reminds me of an old school winger. Old school CR7 on the wing for Man United. Moving so erratic. Tries to slap one. Hits his thigh, he's going to feel that in the morning. Doesn't want to get in the way of that one though.
Ricardo, go wider. There you go. I love that, Matt. Well done.
6-2, and it's not even half time yet. We're calling this one pepper soup. Because Ricardo just got peppered there.
H goes on holiday, comes back. He's had a week of sickness. This is what happens when he comes back from sickness.
Stories are true. H went to Skegness. He came back. It's like we're back in the mix.
Sauce.
Keep it up. Doing well.
Oh, half time, half a job. Almost there. 3 points on the board, hopefully.
As long as there's only a few goals in it, I think they're in it. So.
Yeah, of course. This is 5-a-side, isn't it? Anything can happen. We've got 20 minutes.
We should be in a lot better position.
Yeah. Well, if we keep hot water there now, we should be alright. Half time, half a job, innit? We go again. It's 0-0, boys. Let's go get this fucking win, innit? Yeah. I know the keeper's made some good saves, though, innit? So, yeah, just carry on, keep up the good work. We go again. Half a job. What you gonna do?
Back from half time, all the jokes are over. Let's get back to business. 6-2. Let's make this one a clinical finish. If we can carry on doing what we did in the first half, I'm sure we'll be alright. But let me not speak too soon, because it seems like they've got the same plan. They want to get back into this game. They're holding the ball, moving it around. Pull the trigger. 6-3. Anything can happen. H loses it there. He slaps it wide. It's saved. Not a bad shooter. As you can see, first 5 minutes, it's all them. I think he thinks he's a prime Kevin De Bruyne with that pass there. Wasn't as good as he thought it was. Anyway, H does him up. Puts him in a spliff. Liam gets a shot, but it's safe. Let's go again. Jake. Told you he's back from paternity leave. Seven 3. Blink and you miss it. Shots being slapped left, right, and centre. Jake. Back from paternity.
Hey, he's back. He's back from paternity leave.
8-3. Seem to be in control of the game right now. Everything's getting smooth. But when things go too smooth, something has to go. 8-4, blink of an eye. Well, we're one of those teams where we play expansive football, we like to score goals, but we also leak goals. I'm saying this from a very constructive place. But you know, like I said, expansive football. Vision.
Yeah, I should have fucking scored down here.
Off the air! I go on, make that run. He can pass it. He can find you. He can find you. I told you. He can fucking find you. Liam, I told you he can find you.
9-4. Hey, well done.
Fuck me, I was going to say 5-4. You're joking. Oh, yes. GBA. Ref, I said.
How many, ref?
Someone get his head back.
Van der turned on the burner, shoulder to shoulder. I think he just loses.
Well in though, Joe.
Van der your burner.
9-4. Jacob rolls it out to the boy Els. Els driving forward, gives it to H. H twisting and turning, gives it to Scarface, cool as a cucumber today. Finds a shot.
He did one about
off the side. Evander collects, puts it back in the mix, gives it to the boy Scarface. Again.
didn't like that intro.
Off the woodwork. Evander pickpocketing this guy. Takes him on the roundabout, gives him a little spinner. Finds H's feet as well. Gets it back, ball being moved swiftly around. Recently I've been watching Ted Lasso. And he was talking about total football. I'd say we're kind of up there for it.
Where's the energy? Oh, right. How many?
That's a light one for me.
You can see better than me. He wants to go through your legs, Liam. He wants to go through your legs. Don't let him put you in a spliff.
Not glad. Naturally, I have to respect the footwork and the tenacity to get through those two. Anyway, back to it. Ball being moved around. I told you, total football. Things going in. Things happening. 9-4. We seem to be in complete control of the game. Ball just being moved around. Look at that. Beating the lines. You know what they tried to do? They tried to wrap it in there. So I've known Liam for about 10 years. He's always been cool as a cucumber. He's never panicked. Since college. Let me show you. Sends his man to the shit.
You got
Pablo Tesco bar.
That's like.
You lag out, Citèh, or did you just quit?
That's in real life.
That was a rage quit.
That's in real life. Rage quit.
Oh!
That might have been goal of the game if you'd have scored it. Can't convert. 10-4. It seems to, they're on a fight back, but from defence.
It's not like you.
Oh, Morris. Oh, Maris. How do you say that in Mexican? Hola, señor. Hola, señor. Hola, señor.
We're taking them to Mexico, 11-4. It's hot right now. Pepper on them. You know what's going on.
There's one line. Suspect unarmed. He's not dangerous.
Fun on the sidelines on this wet, windy day.
On that. Oh my God, Leah, go. Whoa! It's off the fence, Fred! He went for the camera!
You break my camera, you buy me another one. I'll tell you that.
Oh shit! Leo,
Break my fucking camera, you buy me another one. I tell you that.
Mate, in the corner, I can't touch my It's alright.
Oh, you meant that.
Oh, Stephen!
Leo, just so you meant it.
Stephen, you got hard.
Loss. Replay up if you want.
Yeah, got it.
Head loss. 12-4.
Time.
See, there's another one. Evander with a quick feet gives it to H.
Is that time?
No, not yet.
2 minutes.
Right, fuck off.
They've come straight from Mexico to be here, guys. When he hit Italian, he went Mexican. Al Pacino. 2-1, punish him!
Dropped him to 1, yeah.
Nah, we don't drop people.
Love that. Thanks, man.
Cheers, ref.
The camera's out, you don't need to do it.
Man of the match? Huh? Man of the match? Him? Yeah. Fair enough. How did he get man of the match on this side? Nah, he did play good, to be fair. If you ever come out to the side, yeah, just give me a call. Love that. Yes. It's like we play better than the Rain Boys. I just get this picture and fuck off. It's cold. I knew me to smell the picture. You warmed up though, innit? Warmed up. It's freezing. Hey, there you go, there's the captain for me.
Can we slide down a bit?
Tough times never last. Only tough people last.
Thank you.
Hey, lad, thank you.
Your ball.
See you later, man.